After the death of the Waynes, Alfred Pennyworth serves as a legal guardian of Bruce Wayne. He steps into the role of a father figure, providing emotional support and guidance during Bruce's formative years. He has been a faithful butler all of Bruce's life, but also he was the one who trained Bruce with various martial arts forms and acrobatics. The Earth One's Alfred is not even afraid to get his hands dirty when it comes to save his son's life. In Batman's first year of crime fighting, Bruce is struggling to keep up with the crimes and criminals in his city. He nearly got killed, but somehow survived. Alfred also advised Bruce to keep a gun, but he refused that idea. So the beaten up Bruce returns to his mansion, and seeing Bruce's condition, Alfred tells him he is not ready for this role. But Bruce insists, yes he is. And just like the meme of Batman slapping Robin's face, Alfred recreates that. He slaps Bruce right across the face. Bruce tries to warn him, but Alfred doesn't stop. He provokes him, keeps telling Bruce he isn't even close to become Batman, and it makes him mad. He tackles the old man and slams him into a wall, but Alfred gives the uppercut with his elbow and says Bruce has never been in a war. He has. Alfred was a former member of the Royal Maidens. He survived countless wars, and Bruce is only a kid, emotional, sloppy, and soft. Bruce keeps trying to get his upper hand on his old man, but none of his tricks are working on Alfred, and he keeps mocking Bruce. No guns, no ray gun, no tactics, just a stupid bat costume and a useless cape. This is Gotham City. The cops aren't his allies, the people aren't his friends. It's everyone for themselves in this town, in this entire world. Bruce can do it because he isn't willing to do everything he is going to has to. He isn't willing to sink down to Gotham's level, and he keeps punching and kicking Bruce and puts him down into the ground. But just as he about to make his final blow, Bruce recovers himself and kicks Alfred's prosthetic leg, and he falls into the ground. For a moment, Bruce feels sorry, but he quickly changes his tone and reminds Alfred he will do everything he has to, and he will do it by himself. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.